Let's get it, baby. Out here with my boy Fast Lane D. Let's get it. With the stall. Now we can hear him stall. Now we can hear him stall. That's what's great. We can hear him stall now. Yeah. For real?
Yeah. When it's cold.
Oh, when it's cold? Yeah. Mine did that earlier today.
Yeah, it's weird.
Must be a cross-plane thing, I guess. But look at that. The sun gleaming off that f***ing aluminum swing arm. Or as Eve would say, swinging arm. Sheesh! Let's get it, baby. Yes, sir. We're going to meet up with a group of about, I believe, 10. Going to meet up with a group of about 10 at a cookout here in Lexington. Would have been out a little earlier today. Didn't mean to get out this late. Finally got my ram mount on here. If y'all, it's actually from the R6. It's not one for this one. I got to get one for this one too. But I have a new phone and it's kind of sketchy. It's a Z Fold 3 and it's kind of sketchy sitting it in here because it's such a thick phone. Like, I don't know about it. Hey, Dylan, pull over real quick. Hey, pull over here. Damn. Now Dustin's calling. Damn. Oh, drop the glove, boys. Alright. That was on my Z Fold 3 right there. Speaking of which. Yes, sir. Alright. Back to what we was talking about. The ram mount. I gotta get one for this. If you don't know what happened to the R6, I have a buddy that rode it and well, he might or might not have wrecked it. So, but he is gonna pay for everything, which is good, and he's okay, which is even more important. So we're working on everything. Gonna get used to it, baby. I'm gonna make a video about the breakdown of everything that went wrong and where it happened at and what all damages are actually done to the bike. And I'll be posting that sometime soon. Also going to be a couple parts to that video. Some of them will have to do with actually repairing the bike, breaking it down, you know, what all's wrong, and doing it from there. We'll see how it goes. I'm just hyped to be out riding, man. It's actually pretty nice today. It's like 55. Let's get it. Let's get it. guess he's wanting to go up there and make a U-turn. Man, that's a big cow. They're moving a whole trailer, boy. 2 of them. Just don't please don't poop. And if you do, if you'd hit Dylan, that'd be great. And not me. I ain't trying to get hit with no poop, bruh. That would be awful. Daggone, son. That R1M is looking fire. Little high-speed action for y'all. Just a little bit. Let's get it, baby. They know they hear that cross plane coming. They know they do. I'd move out the way too. That motherfucker sound mean, boy. I gotta stop cussing so much. It makes it a pain whenever I'm editing. Oh yeah, boys. Oh yeah. What song is this? Hey. I've been riding around. Woo! Just sounding good. Sounding good. I'm so happy he finally got an exhaust, man. I know he's having to watch his tack and everything just to be able to even shift or to know when to shift. I'm hyped for him. Hell yeah. I know he's got big plans. We just installed his chain adjusters by Litech. I got to get some for this. Man, those are sweet. Ooh, the little poppy pops. Woo boy! Woo boy! That thing's loud. It's loud, loud. Huh? Oh, for sure, definitely, definitely, by quite a bit. What do y'all think? Definitely louder. By a lot. Like get a DB reader and see just how much louder. Oh yeah, Willie Central, baby. What up with it? Yeah, I used to work there at City Barbecue. Got some great food. They really do. Oh yeah. It's a beautiful day out. I love riding, man. I'll ride snow, whatever. If I can get it out and I can ride, I'll ride. I don't care. I'll even ride in the rain. Comment below if you will ride in the rain. I know most people won't ride in the rain. They feel sketched out. Honestly, if you have good tires and it's not pouring the rain, then it's not too bad. As long as I can see, for one, and as long as it's not like absolutely just pounding me hard as can be, then I don't care too much. A little Aston Martin action right here. Hell yeah. I like it. I can get down with that Aston. That thing's beautiful. Thing's beautiful. Beautiful. I like it. His woman likes the bikes too. He don't want the smoke and he knows it. That's why he gave us a thumbs up. He knows if he was to even try it, he'd get. He knows that he'd get messed up, boys. Well, doggone. How do you even? Some people, man. That takes talent. It takes straight talent. Let's get it, baby. I'm worn out, baby. No, no.
Finally got that sewing machine off there.
I know, right? Sounds way better.
Nah, bro, sewing machine was louder than that. What's up, man?
How you doing?
Doing good. How are you doing? Living the dream. It's pretty out today too. You gotta love it. Not a cloud in the sky. That's my kind of weather.
What's your name? Jurgen. Dylan, that's me. Okay, that's what I thought. Hell yeah, man. Good to see you again.
Hell yeah. Yes, sir. How you doing, man?
Dude.
It has been.
Hell yeah. I like the high vis.
Hey, appreciate it. Hey, that's so these idiots will see me.
Shit. Didn't know about
Thanks.
it.
So how bad was the ticket you got the other day?
Careless driving.
Careless driving?
Is that better than reckless?
$170. Yeah, it's a lot better than reckless.
Okay.
Yeah.
What the fuck?
Yeah.
What's up, man? Dylan.
How you like the R1?
Peace, man.
Oh, it's nice, man. Oh, she's rowdy. She's rowdy. His, we was just at the red light. It's the first time I've heard his in person.
Right.
And dude, it sounds great.
What?
It sounds great.
I was riding side saddle. I was kind of egging at him, I guess.
Yeah. I think I just caught air. Oh, look at him! Look at my man up here! Look at my man up! My man! Let's go! Let's go! No, I can see his speedo.